Wagwan peeps, Campbell here. I'm sitting in my house in Trelawney, Jamaica. We have 100 acres farm. I need an investor. Going to be growing all kind of things. Right now I'm growing cabbage, lettuce, potato, sweet potato, watermelons, and want to put some chickens, goats, pigs, cows. 100 acres, big return on your money. Big return for an investor. Big return. Trelawney, Jamaica. Nice farm. Very fertile. Fruitful. You can see my bio. I'm also a realtor in Jamaica. At HoshingRealties.com. Hoshing is spelled Hoshing. Realtors. REALTORS.com. Look at my bio. Give me a call. Jamaican number you can call WhatsApp, and that's 1-876-376-1027. 876-376-1027. Yeah, man. Lot of money involved. Need a good investor. Campbell is the name. Thanks.